Hello, thank you so much for meeting me today to take a look at this home. Take a look at this entranceway, don't you love it? And so at the front, formal dining room, which I think you'll absolutely love, along with all the sunlight in here. And it goes right into the kitchen. Sabrina, do you want to show them the kitchen here?
Hey guys, nice to meet you. Come on in, check it out. Look at all this cupboard space, isn't this great? And this kitchen island, great for prep space or baking or any kind of crafts you guys do. And if you work from home or do gaming or anything, we've got a dedicated section here for that. And then of course, we can't forget our eating kitchen space. It fits a great size table and it gives you amazing views of the backyard. You think that's great? Let's go on to the living room and check it out.
So what do you think of this room? I love the corner fireplace. Nice big space for a couch. And I think you are absolutely gonna love the basement. Hey, come on down here. Take a look at the bedroom. I love all the light. What do you think? If you've got a few kids, this place has a total of 5 bedrooms. So I think you're gonna love that.
And you guys check out this rec room. Look at this great open space. Great for family entertaining and gatherings. And there's an extra bedroom down here as well. You can really use this as whatever you'd like. An office, a flex space. It has an egress window, so you can definitely use it as a bedroom. And I think Nicole's down there checking out the bathroom.
I am. And you know what? I love having a bathroom in the basement. When you're using that room, you don't have to walk all the way upstairs. Like a full bathroom in the basement. What do you think? I love it.
Oh, hey guys, you made it upstairs. There's 3 bedrooms up here. This is the first of 3. And then you've got a full 4-piece bathroom on this level, which is really nice as well. And then you've got the second bedroom here, also a really good size. And I think Nicole's headed around the corner. Check it out.
I love this flex den space. Great for an office or a place for the kids to play and put all their toys. And the primary, come check this out. Oh, do you like that view? I love it. Look at this. This room is incredible. Sabrina, do you want to take them outside? I'm gonna slip into my bathing suit.
Sure, sounds good. Hey guys, you found your way outside. Yeah, isn't this space great? This huge backyard. Yeah, this deck is great for entertaining or chilling. And down here, we've got a separate sitting area, great for putting on some loungers, some chill music, and just relaxing. You'll notice here we have a catwalk that comes across to a separate deck area. And my colleague is in the swim spa.
You should check this thing out. This swim spa is incredible. It comes with a built-in treadmill, or you can turn this into a lap pool. You can make it a hot tub. You could also turn this into a cold pool where you can have a nice polar plunge in the morning while enjoying a run on your treadmill in the water. Now, go take a look at the backyard over there. It's absolutely beautiful. And if for any reason I don't get to see you before you leave, I'm coming here for a swim once you move in.